can put on your car though. We can put on the plate, the Tomei plate.
Tomei plate?
Yeah.
That's about it.
But we can't put the Tomei on. It doesn't work, guys.
So we're at the point where we can't get these bolts off. They are so rusted on this car because this car hasn't been touched since it's been made. We've tried impact guns, we've tried WD-40.
Wrenches, ratchets.
Yeah. So
we
right now
were like contemplating
After giving the dumb shit,
we were contemplating like torching the bolts, and we're just like, we're just gonna cut this shit off.
we're just gonna cut it off and then get the white pipe out. Oh my god, guys.
4K.
4K.
Caught in 4K.
We finally got it off.
Dude!
You want to tell them?
We tried blow torching. We tried ratchets. We tried air guns with compressors. We tried to cut it.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there, we tried to cut it.
And then this guy in this car, he comes and in literally 90 seconds, he gets it off.
This is my friend Blake.
What's going on, guys?
He has this awesome
So
supercharged.
As a souvenir, here's your reward.
This
Yeah,
is all
you put it
yours,
on your
bro.
wall, dude.
Let's go, baby!
Or put it in the trash.
This is going directly to the
The Chinese government. We're sending
The
it back to
Chinese
China.
government.
It's never coming back.
So yeah, we're finally putting this on. This is literally day 2 of trying to put this on.
You have no idea. I need to update the vlog too.
Look at this. It is off. I think I'm gonna start it just once to hear it with the open headers, and then
Ruin your dad's reputation.
ruin my dad's reputation because he is the president of the HOA.
Dude, his
Yeah.
His dad comes out, he's like, hey guys, I know you're doing your car thing, but like, I'm the president of the HOA, so like, don't ruin my reputation. And then Adam's just like, straight pipe cold start.
Straight pipe cold start. I have long tube headers coming. It's gonna be the loudest car.
Blake comes in like revving, and I was like, Adam, there goes your dad's reputation, right?
Well, the camera was pointed at me.
You gotta show for the camera, you know.
And his dad came out, he's like, oh, is that your buddy revving?
Alright, I'm gonna get the keys. We're gonna hear what this sounds like, and then start putting this on. Open headers. You ready?
Alright. It's locked.
It's locked.
Dude, look at Adam's new vlogging camera. This is legit.
No, that's sick.
And he's got a 360 camera coming too. Alright. Oh shit!
Oh no.
Is your car
I
dead?
think my battery might be dead.
How?
Underglow.
No way. You left it on all night?
No.
Oh no. Okay guys. Yeah, it's dead.
That's not good start.
No, I have jumpers.
What are you gonna hook it up to? Is it a battery pack?
Battery pack, yeah.
Oh shit.
It should work.
Fuck. Dude, that was like the biggest blue balls of Alright guys, technical difficulties. We'll be back soon. Alright, let's try this again. Sounds aggressive.
So that's open headers.
It's not too bad, but yeah, guys, when you take your exhaust off, you have to start the car just to hear it, you know? No, they'd throw his dad's reputation out the window.
Rip the HOA.
R.I.P. HOA president.
Alright guys, so we have first part of the white pipe on finally after a day and a half. Yeah. I don't even know what to say.
I was laughing in my head. I was like, Adam, say something.
It's gonna be easier putting this on than taking it off, so yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks so good. Look at them. Wow.
Starting with the Y pipe, pretty easy, guys. It's like if an exhaust was plug and play. Some metal gaskets, 14 mils. It's straightforward, super easy. and probably in like 10 minutes or so we'll have everything slapped together. So
Yeah, I think the hardest part right now would be the springs.
oh, I hate the springs,
But everything else should be pretty easy. I think
Yeah.
once we get everything on, the springs shouldn't be too awfully difficult, but we'll see. We shall see.
they kind of suck, but I mean, just wear glasses when you do the springs. Wear like eye protection, because they will shoot off.
I guess. This is the progress.
Hey, the best kind of hardware is like OEM hardware, right?
We have
No.
the lead pipe going
Not
in right
the original
now.
original.
Just tighten up some of the bolts. Make sure it's secure.
That should be.
Y pipe is completely on.
Let me go
Show you guys.
I didn't check for leaks on mine. I wanted my car off that list as fast as possible.
This is the Y pipe. Heard that. Looks so good.
I think it's good, dude.
This thing is so sexy.
Look at that.
Tomei.
We should have like a Tomei count in this video and just like put it down on the bottom of the screen. I bet it's at least at like 50. Tomei, 51,
Tomei.
57.
We should just dump from right here.
What is this? Is this a spacer?
That's from the old exhaust.
Oh, fuck that. China.
China.
Dude, look at this underglow. I'm such a G, I routed it under the plastic, so when you put the plastic back up, you can't even see it.
That's crazy. Fuck you.
Dude, hit me up to install your underglow, but don't hit me up to install your Tomei, because
It won't go well.
I can't even get the stock exhaust off.
This is Blake's beautiful car. It's supercharged. Still in supercharger. Still in exhaust. So nice. So good. Oh my goodness, guys. 2 whole days of working on this bitch. Look at that.
Oh, I know what the Allen wrench is for. It's for your tips.
Oh yeah.
Don't lose that.
I still have it. We are almost done. Gotta tighten that up, put the tip on. Hey, you forgot the hanger.
Huh?
You forgot the hanger.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get this on first.
We gotta button some things up under the car. We gotta put these shields on right there, and then put the W brace back on, and then we should be good to start her up. We are like 90% complete.
This is taking longer than what it should have, but it's because his old exhaust. This exhaust system is great, but his old one is garbage, and it belongs in the trash, and we gotta burn it.
Yes, sir. Alright, we'll keep you updated. I'm gonna check for exhaust leaks real quick. We're gonna start it. Get the.
I'll start it, and then you can record. Get like your reaction. This is Grandma's key.
My key's on the ground. Oh my god, guys. I'm so fucking hyped. You don't even know. Straight from Japan, like $4,000 worth of exhaust right there, and it's
Like
finally
the car
on.
explodes.
Yeah, the car was dead earlier. Alright, I'm ready. Fuck you.
It's dead. It's dead.
Is it actually?
Yeah. It's like extra dead.
What the fuck? Okay, we'll be right back. Round 2.
Take 2.
Take 2. Scene 1. That's a good sound. What do you
I like it. You gotta rev it, but maybe in a little
We're
bit.
gonna let it warm up. We're gonna check for exhaust. Oh my god, that
Is it louder?
is so sexy. Honestly, it's not that loud.
Yeah, it's like a medium in terms of like loudness, but then when you get on it, it'll break. Alright, first drive.
I'm excited. Only gone up to 3,000 RPM, so.
It's really subtle.
It is. Now this isn't automatic, but I do drive it in manual every once in a while. Is it gonna rain?
It's gonna rain, you said?
Looks like back there. It definitely opens up at the higher RPMs.
Like the typical sea owner with the one hand on the steering.
Oh, it is raining.
Oh shit. Mustang? No sir. See you, baby. See ya.
Are you ready for a crisp downshift?
Alright, let's hear it. Dude, what?
First thoughts, Lewis?
Honestly, it sounds sick. The downshifts, they're great. Does it sound different compared to a regular Tomei? I don't know. We have to get both cars together and rev them and see if there's a tone difference, but Gavin's here, so.
What's up, Gavin?
Dude, look at that. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Give it any boost in power?
It feels lighter.
Yeah.
For sure. Downshifts are insane.
Sounds crazy, honestly. It's crazy.
Damn it.
Shit at him. This is gonna be nuts when he flies by here.
Oh yeah, he can't outrun any cops anymore.
No, he's too loud. Oh, he's burbling. Maybe he's gonna hit some downshifts. Yep. closer to the road. He's coming in hot. Dude, that sounds amazing. Yeah.
Sounded insane. Like, how far down could you hear it?
All the way.
All the way?
Only if you're behind it. You can't hear it from in front.
That's good. So it's, you know,
Huh?
it's not too bad. Oh, of course we got a truck
Oh.
coming.
See? It's dead silent.
That's insane, dude.
You know to throw fucking... Can I hit it up and down once?
Yeah. And then we got a dip.
Yeah. He went all the way down. There you go.
Jeez.
I feel like after... Dude, your car looks good on the GoPro with the weather. Looks pretty. Like, I'm kind of bummed that we didn't have like we couldn't get rollers. You know what I mean? Because your car looks good right now. What the fuck? Alright, maybe it's time to get out of here, yeah.